Hey everybody, hello beautiful souls, gorgeous people, so sweet-hearted people are deep down underneath everything. And we're a beautiful species, we're gorgeous beings who choose to come here. So yeah, thank you for joining me in this video, this space. My name is Owen Fox, and today I just want to say that one, we can have the best day ever, every day, almost every day, basically every day, we can choose to have the best day ever, the best possible day that today could possibly be. So with that, like, we literally have so much deep power, but it is tricky and it takes work and it takes practice and it takes intention. It starts with intention. We need to intend and wish and allow and know that we deserve and that we're allowed and capable of having a really nice day. And then we got to be clear enough to go about doing it, creating it, manifesting it, and allowing it in to receive it from the universe, because really everything is truly divine and synchronistic. Some synchronicities are very obvious, like numbers or like dates and sequences and repetitive things, but literally and truly everything is magic and in divine timing, because we live in a magic and divine holy simulation, not an electronic computer simulation, way more divine and powerful and beautiful than that. So that leads me on to the second thing. We all have life's challenges, because this is Earth School and there's a lot of lessons. So life gets tough and shit hits the fan. I like that expression, it's kind of funny. Whoa. And life is hard and challenging at times, because some lessons are like that, but it's not meant to be hurtful or mean to us. God's source universe didn't create a universe or a life just to be like mean to us. That's not the way it works. So what I'm alluding to is we need to make effort and set the intention to learn our lessons, and two, seek help and guidance or mentorship or healing from wise people or sages or healers or people who are qualified and know what they're talking about with experience, not just only like like people who've walked the walk are the best, because there's no point in going to a mechanic who hasn't done a lot of like mechanic hours and knows how to do it, instead of just somebody who's read the book on mechanics but they haven't have enough physical practice. So you want somebody who's got enough practice, basically. So yeah, that's what I encourage, so seek help, get the support that you need, seek community or professional help or qualified help. Like I said, it doesn't have to be just only mainstream qualifications strictly at all. There's lots of psychic powerful healers who are even just wise people as well, who've walked the walks and do other things like to help you, like some of the things that I like in my life, because I've been through a really hard life myself. I had a lot of trauma growing up in my life. I blocked out like 99.99% of my childhood memories. I've gotten a lot of help throughout the years, and I still do. It's still good to top up and get extra help, because we need it often. So I have a school community. Community down below is like free to join, and I have my two most recent books as a gift for you to receive upon joining. It's very simple to get them, and I also have 2 video courses as well that are a gift, and I have an additional other 8 video courses that you can also have access to as well. And there's also a gift workshop, and there's one in another 7 days, I believe. So I'll be giving a free workshop, and that will be recorded as well for people to watch later. So I also do more one-to-one help for people who wish to upgrade to membership, like full membership, and that's also an option too. And I wish you the best day ever. Healing takes work, and we deserve it, and just put the effort into ourselves. Some of my favorite practices are tapping right now. I love tapping, and I'm also like learning from other people's like courses and work too, to keep upgrading myself and my knowledge base, and to apply it in my daily life. And just to clean up our life from like negative attachments and addictions that drain us and hurt ourselves and other people around us, and to love and nurture ourselves with like healthy lifestyle, sleep practices, and diet and rest rest, exercise, the balance of everything, socializing, friends, family, anything that nurtures and uplifts us versus takes away from us, hurts us or drains us. And that includes thoughts as well as people and friendships or relationships and places we go to, or things that we read, or things that we listen to or watch, or even music we listen to. We always want to know, is this like benefiting me, or is it like making me heavier and darker in my energy and thoughts and emotions? Is it empowering me or disempowering me? So yeah, that's what I want to say in this video, my friends. You're beautiful souls. So I really highly encourage you to click on the description, the pinned comment, or in the description of the video, and join my community for free as a gift, and get on board with other people who are like-minded souls in a nice, safe and encouraging, supportive environment. And seek the support from people who know what they're talking about. And that's what I do. I've walked the walk. I've had a really challenging life, had a lot of knocks and losses and trauma, physical, mental, emotional, and relationship and money. I've had massive loss of money. I lost like over 100,000 in investments, all my savings once as well. And I've gone through numerous relationships, and I've been in extremely complex and challenging relationships with multifaceted complexities. Yeah, apparently, if it's true or not, my astrological reading, I got not just one hardest card for family home life, but two of them. Two hardest was in the same place. So that signifies I've had a lot of hard challenges and a lot of deep lessons learned, and I wish to impart that to help you and your family, your relationship, your children, your own life, and health and well-being, physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually. And I wish you all the very best. Do get on board. I highly encourage you to seek the proper guidance and mentorship below my free community with optional upgrading, which I'd recommend to get all the video courses and extra workshops. And you deserve it, and look after yourself. Make 2024 be the best year ever for you, because you deserve it, and you got to choose it, you got to claim it. And that's what I'm doing, and that's what I'm inviting you to do. So lots of love, have a great day, blessings and love, soul family.